For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
India reported over 11,000 cases for the second consecutive day. Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu and Delhi have reported the highest number of cases. 5 states which have majorly contributed to India's COVID-19 tally are Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Delhi, Gujarat and Uttar Pradesh. Maharashtra continues to remain worst coronavirus hit state with over 104,568 cases. 3,830 people have succumbed to COVID-19 in the state so far. 49,346 people have recovered and have been discharged in the state. Tamil Nadu is the second worst affected COVID-19 state with over 42,687 COVID-19 cases. The state has seen 23,409 discharges while 397 people have died of COVID-19. Delhi is third in the list of worst affected states with over 38,958 confirmed COVID-19 cases. Over 14,945 people have been discharged while 1,271 people have died of the deadly virus. Gujarat, on the other hand, has registered over 23,083 COVID-19 cases with over 15,883 discharges and 1,448 deaths. In Uttar Pradesh, the situation also remains worrisome. The state has seen 13,118 COVID-19 cases. Over 7,875 people have been discharged while 385 people have died of COVID-19. The COVID-19 situation in Maharashtra continued to get worse as it reported 3,427 during the last 24 hours, taking the total number of COVID-19 cases to 104,568 cases in the state. Around 113 new COVID-19 deaths were reported in the state. Delhi government has decided to add 20,000 beds in a week to accommodate an increasing number of COVID-19 patients. Hotels and banquets will be turned into COVID-19 facilities. A doctor from Delhi has said that there is 21% increase in rate of infection and 8% decrease in rate of recoveries.
दिल्ली में कोरोना बिल्कुल बेकाबू हो गया है और जो पिछले 24 घंटे के आंकड़े सचमुच डराने वाले हैं और जिस तरीके से हम देख रहे हैं कि 21% इंक्रीज इन इन्फेक्शन और साथ साथ में रिकवरी रेट में 8% का ड्रॉप देखा गया है, तो ये निश्चित रूप से बहुत ही भयावह स्थिति है.
Dr. Manoj Kumar said that in order to contain COVID-19 in Delhi, it needs to increase the number of COVID-19 tests in the national capital.
कम्युनिटी लेवल पे हम एक्ट कर सकते हैं कि हमें टेस्टिंग बढ़ानी पड़ेगी. उन सब लोगों की टेस्टिंग करनी पड़ेगी जो माइल्डली सिम्टोमेटिक हैं या पेशेंट्स के कांटेक्ट में आए हुए हैं या पॉजिटिव पेशेंट्स के जो कांटेक्ट्स में हैं. कांटेक्ट ट्रेसिंग जो है उसको काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग करना पड़ेगा.
Tamil Nadu has reported 1,989 COVID-19 cases during the last 24 hours. Total number of COVID-19 cases in the state is now at 42,687 and the death toll is at 397. Tamil Nadu is the third worst affected state in the country. DMK MP Kalanidhi Veeraswamy has said that Indian cities Delhi, Chennai and Mumbai have more number of COVID-19 cases than what is shown in the data.
If you look at Tamil Nadu alone, the population of Tamil Nadu alone is about 7 or 8 crores. And you can see that the population of most major countries like the UK, Australia, New Zealand, Canada, all these places have populations which are very close to, similar to or much lesser than Tamil Nadu itself. So we should look at each state as a different entity, and within the states also you should see hotspots like Chennai, Delhi, Mumbai. These are the places where you have international travelers coming in because that is where the airports are available. So the number of cases in these places is bound to be higher.
Veeraswamy has also said that as many as 1 lakh people may succumb to COVID-19 in Chennai also by the end of December.
And once it goes into slum areas, the spread of the virus is going to be very, very rampant, where the number of deaths, I'm afraid to say this, but the number of deaths, there are doctors who are predicting that the number of deaths can go up to 1 lakh before December in Chennai alone.
The ICMR has said that India has tested as many as 1.5 lakh people during the last 24 hours. Union Home Minister Amit Shah said that COVID-19 testing will be increased by 3 times within 6 days.